The next thing I want you to do is identify the y-intercept for each of the two equations. Now, this is actually not as difficult as people tend to assume it's going to be, because the y-intercept, anytime that you have a y-intercept, means that the x value is equal to 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute in 0 for x and solve for y. So we're going to use our algebra skills. So in the example that we have here on the left, I'm going to do y is equal to -5 times 0 plus 1 squared minus 9. Okay, well, if I do my brackets, that leaves me with 1 squared minus 9. Y is going to be -5 times 1, because 1 squared is just 1. -5 times 1 is going to equal -5 minus 9. -5 minus 9 is going to give me -14. So the y-intercept is when y is equal to -14. In the next example, same deal. We know that the y-intercept happens when the x value is equal to 0. So we're going to substitute in 0 for x. So 0 minus 3 times 0 plus 6. So again, rules of Bedmus means I have to solve for the stuff that's in the brackets. So that gives me -3 in the first bracket. -3 in the first bracket and +6 in the second bracket. So then I have to multiply those three things together. So 2 times -3 is -6. -6 times +6 would give me -36. So the y-intercept in the second example would happen when the y value is at -36.